or you'll be leaving with a fat lip.
You to protect me. I'll never get akumatized. See, that's checkmate, Ladybug. Oh my god, it's worse than we thought. They made her emo!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Judas is the demon I cling to. I cling to. Just a holy fool, baby. It's so cruel, but I'm still in love with Judas, baby. I'm just a holy fool, baby. It's so holy, but I'm still in love with Judas, baby. The baddest bitch in this club. Who's
You
that?
can call me
It's like
Argos
some
now.
I made it rap pants, I'ma beat some dick. Put my big fat ass on my sleazy lips. Cover girl, yeah, it's easy breezy, bitch. He was a funky head. He was more than a hoe.
No black cat is as cool as this black cat! You've lost, Ladybug.
No, there's always a solution. Lucky Charm!
She's freed herself.
She can't be far.
Where do you think you're going? Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. If you can't take it, then get back, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. If you can't take it, then get back.
Do you think you kill for me one day? Yes, of course I will. And I want it all. I want it all.
Fiquei com tanto medo.
Nothing is too powerful! There's no price too high to pay if it would bring my mother back! Your mother? She's gone! And my father doesn't care! He's too busy designing dresses and costumes! Busy creating things like he's already moved on! Like he has no idea how much I miss her! If I make a wish, I'll have a chance to get the only thing I want! I'll bring her back to life! I'll see my mother again! It must be painful for someone who doesn't have any close friends or anyone to comfort them. Someone like me? Only you can decide not to be alone.
That boy is a monster.
Good evening, Uncle. You can call me Argos now. Too bad I was this close. Would you please hand me your miraculous? Cat Blanc has gotten into some mischief.